Welcome to the Consumer Tech Update podcast, where in just 1 minute, you'll hear facts, opinion, and the latest tech information underneath the surface about real topics you care about.
Apple sure wants Siri to be your ultimate personal assistant. Now you can add, "Hey Siri, I'm getting pulled over," to its skill set. Kim Komando with your Thursday Consumer Tech Update. Get extended interviews on tech topics with the free Komando podcast, available on iTunes and Google Play. Using an app called Shortcuts, you can make Siri perform a series of commands. For example, say, "Home Siri," and then you can get a traffic report and weather forecast. Well, one clever Reddit user by the name of Robert Peterson created the shortcut called Police that sets off a series of actions. First, we'll send a text to a friend to let them know you're being pulled over and gives your exact location. Then it pauses any music and, using the phone's front-facing camera, records anything going on. Finally, the video is sent to Dropbox or iCloud. With the shortcut on your phone, you just say, "Hey Siri, I'm getting pulled over." But with my luck, Siri will probably say,
"I don't understand. I'm setting off fireworks."
I'm Kim Komando.